Okay, so kicking off this simple cake, we're going to do it like a banana walnut bundt cake versus a muffin. But we're going to up the ante because we're going to do a banana bundt times eggnog times rum. So like a banana nut rum eggnog cake is super simple, super fast, super easy. Let's get it in the bowl because I want y'all to do some of these desserts for the holidays, y'all. Honestly, I picked these up from the store on Tuesday, wanting to bake today, Friday. They're still not as ripe. That's okay. We're going to caramelize them by putting them in the oven at 350 for maybe about 20 minutes. That's going to caramelize and get the natural sugars out. Hint. I do that for my banana pudding. I make a banana puree into the pudding versus slices of banana in the pudding. Textural, some people got textural issues when they eat, or I'll explain further. But yeah, I'm gonna caramelize these in the oven. So while I'm getting the oven ready, if you do a banana puree to your banana pudding versus slices of banana, if I was to have a bakery, I would do the banana puree versus the slices, because the slices, that'll probably keep like a good 3 days because bananas oxidize. Versus if you make a banana puree into your pudding, you don't have the banana slices sitting right up there on your pudding. That makes for like a better week and a half keep in the fridge in an airtight container. And then I would do like a 50-cent upsell. I would chop up like some bananas, some walnuts, some caramels, and douse it on top of my banana pudding anytime somebody order as like a 50-cent upcharge. But yeah, the real bananas be in the pudding. It's just a puree. Okay, my Nordic bundt pan of choice. Y'all, I have my pan wiped down with cake goop. If you want a video on that, I'll show you, because I make a batch of it and it lasts for months and months at a time in the fridge versus using the baking spray. But whatever you have, use what you got, okay? So out of that 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 6 went into this bowl with an egg. We're going to make like a cheesecake filling. The other 2 you're going to see in this reserve bowl on the side with a little bit of that banana cream pudding flavoring into both the cheesecake and the glaze and the cake mix itself. So again, I separated 2 ounces for the cream cheese for my glaze, and the rest going in the bowl for like a crustless cheesecake layer that's going to be in the cake. So 3 eggs to the bowl into the sifted banana cream pudding and the cake mix. I'm going in with my 1 cup of eggnog and a 1/4 cup of that rum. And we're going to get it all mixed up. It's really simple. It's really easy. Now, I have my 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Yes. And then a tablespoon of coconut oil. It's a textural thing. I can't explain it, but trust me on it. So now to this bowl, that's some crushed up walnuts, some flour, some brown sugar. That's going to be like a streusel middle, almost like if you was to do like a coffee cake streusel or one big cinnamon bun, right? So getting the cake down in the pan, that's layer 1. And you want to tap the bubbles out. And then that softened cream cheese mixture, this is what we want to do. I just made like four dollops of it. And then took the top edge of my, the butter knife, yeah. And swirl it on through there just like that, right? And then we're going to go in with a layer of that walnut, brown sugar, streusel filling. And then you're going to see me repeat the process again with the cake, cheesecake layer, then the banana streusel filling, or walnut streusel filling. Now, in my glaze, I have all these components. Keep in mind, so I know the video goes kind of fast, but always pay attention to the description box. So the banana extract, the vanilla extract, I actually didn't show that part, but I put a little bit of that into the cake batter itself upon baking it. So I got all those same 2 extracts in the glaze, as well as some of that banana extract, and a little bit of the yellow food coloring in the glaze. See how I wanted that glaze thick, almost like a banana pudding thick, so it could hug the cake, because I was going to go on the top with these candied wet walnuts that you find in the ice cream section to tie it all in. And this is what it's looking like, y'all. It is a moist coffee cake, almost with like a cream cheese layer, and then you have the streusel in the middle like it was a traditional coffee cake. I just like coming up with different recipes, and my family approved. Bye, y'all.